In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print purchase orders in Xero. This is a useful skill, especially for those who need physical copies of their purchase orders for record keeping or to share with vendors and colleagues. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top bar of your homepage. Here, you'll find several options to help you navigate through your financial management tasks. Among these options is a tab labeled Purchases. Go ahead and click on this tab. After you click on Purchases, a menu will unfold offering various choices. You'll want to select the option labeled Purchase Orders. Clicking on Purchase Orders will lead you to a page displaying a comprehensive list of your purchase orders. This list includes all the details and statuses of orders you've made, providing you with a snapshot overview of your purchasing activities. Now, let's move on to printing. Review your list and select the specific purchase order you wish to print. This might be one you've just processed and need a hard copy of, or perhaps one that a vendor requested. To make your selection, simply click directly on the purchase order. Once you've done this, you'll be taken to a detailed view of that specific order. You can review the information to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. If you spot any discrepancies, this is the perfect moment to address them. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, it's time to print. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a button labeled Print. Clicking on this button is straightforward. As you do, your browser's print dialog will open, allowing you to adjust settings such as the number of copies you wish to print, the orientation of the page, and any other printing preferences you might have. Make sure your printer is connected and ready, then confirm your settings and hit Print. If you have a preference for digital records, you might opt to save as PDF in this dialog instead, providing a digital copy you can easily share or file. And just like that, you've printed your purchase order in Xero. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly efficient, ensuring you have both a digital and physical trail of your purchasing activities whenever needed. If you frequently print purchase orders, remembering this routine will streamline your workflow significantly. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Xero support resources or comment below. Have a great day, managing your finances with ease.